Welcome to Mastermind 2, Chaotic Evil. Whether you appreciate the challenging gameplay of Mastermind, the inventive spirit of Not Tetris, or the addictive difficulty of Flappy Bird, you're sure to find something to love in this game.
Here we go.
Enter your desired player ID to track personal results. Max 20 characters. Cancel to decline cookies.
Super duper ultra handsome.
Either too long or taken. Try a different player ID.
Okay. What about John Doe? Here, the instructions read.
Classic Mastermind. There are 4 slots and 6 possible colors for each slot. Your goal is to guess the correct combination within a limited number of chances. Every time you make a guess, the machine will provide hints based on your guess. R, for rights, represents a correct color in the correct slot. W, for wrongs, represents a correct color in the wrong slot. If you complete all levels in the game mode you choose, the result will be ranked by the number of chances remaining, then by time taken per level.
For controls, we have
number buttons below are 0 to 9 on the keyboard to input the corresponding color into the current slot. Number buttons and slots or the spacebar on the keyboard to trigger and remove the target button from the slot. Remaining chances button or enter on the keyboard to check your guess. Direction buttons and slots or V, less than, and larger than on the keyboard to choose options as instructed. Question mark button on the screen or on the keyboard to summon/dismiss the instructions. Click on a slot or use left and right on the keyboard to move the current slot accordingly. Use up and down on the keyboard to scroll the table. Backspace on the keyboard to move the current slot to the left and trigger the button within.
Let's start the game. Under the banner, we have 2 options, press 3 for 3 levels, or 7 for 2 plus 5 chosen out of 25 optional levels. Let's go with 3 levels first. I see level 1 has started. So that's the first code we cracked. 12 seconds? I guess they timed me. Any direction to the next level? Okay, level 2, remaining chances increased by 3. That's a good thing. The level of uncertainty increased from 0 to 1. I wonder what that means. Why is the machine giving hints other than R and W?
It's okay. After you get the correct combination, the hints for rights will light up green.
Wow, the hints for rights do light up green after I cracked it. Very helpful. Level 3, level of uncertainty increased again. Why is the machine giving different hints every turn?
Just take a guess.
Great.
You win. You completed 3 levels. Remaining chances, 7. Time used, 1 minute, 25.472 seconds. Congratulations. It's a public daily best. Congratulations. It's a personal all-time best.
I see the choices for game mode are up again. We shall try 7 levels this time.
You can increase the number of colors by 2, max 10, increase the level of uncertainty by 1, max 2, or increase the number of slots by 1, max 6.
What do all these mean? Whatever. Remaining chances increased by 7 in this mode. Why are there more than 6 possible colors?
More fun for you.
Really? The same options again. I'll pick another one this time. Why are there more than 4 slots?
I think you know the drill.
Damn. Hello darkness, my old friend. There goes my last chance.
You lose. Used up all your chances at the 7th out of 7 levels. The correct answer is 987994. You can view statistics to see how well you did, share so others know, or view the credits.
I want to try the share option.
Share content copy to clipboard.
I ran out of chances at the 7th level. Avenge me. Better send this to the nerdiest friend I have. Now, what about the statistics?
On the right-hand side, there are the population count and number of players. Below that, you can query the database with different criteria. If you click on the columns in our pictogram chart below, you can see further details in the form of a scatter plot. Result score means the number of chances remaining when a player wins the game. In cases where a player fails, the result score will be negative and reflect how many levels were left uncracked.
I see the population size, 267 games for 2 game modes combined. I contributed 2, and 17 other players contributed 265. Here, I'm querying game records of game mode 3 within the last 12 months.
Each bead represents 1 game.
Let's see about the result score equal to 7. A scatter plot with seconds per level on the y-axis and date on the x-axis. When hovering on the dots, there are further details. But the y-axis is not proportional, some kind of logarithm is used to enhance the difference between shorter times. I think that's all. If this were a movie, this is when the credits roll.
Mastermind, originally introduced by Mordecai Meyrowitz in 1970, became a classic puzzle game. However, after beating it countless times, I found the challenge to wane. Many mobile games have attempted to ramp up the difficulty by increasing the number of slots or colors, but this often turns the gameplay into a tedious experience. My approach in designing this game was to introduce a bit of chaos, compelling players to hone their judgment amidst uncertainty. This game isn't just about solving puzzles, it's about mastering the unpredictable. The making of this project, crafted in JavaScript and hosted on Firebase, offers a retro gaming experience. It features a real-time NoSQL database that meticulously records game data, allowing for seamless interactions with user queries through a dynamic pictogram chart created with chart.js. Clicking on any columns in the pictogram chart will visualize a scatterplot for more details. You can view the schema of the database, if interested. The game also tracks users' personal best records, provided they accept cookies. Developed under a trial-and-error software development model, this project showcases my dedication to creating engaging and functional gaming experiences. Feel free to check out my personal website for other work of mine.